Is this Max and Eliana playing? Yeah. Hi, Max. Where's Eliana? Hi, big girl. Hi. Hi. What? What? You go. Eliana. Hi, big girl. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? You thinking about it? Where's your daddy? Where's Daddy? Okay, we'll stop. We won't talk about him. I get it. You miss him. We won't talk about it. Hi, Max. Hey. Who? Who? Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy? You gonna play with Mickey? Is that Mickey Mouse? Yeah. What? You gonna say hi to Eliana? Where is she? You gonna sit in her lap? Hey, 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 hey. I think you weigh more than him. Don't cry when he sits on your feet. Yeah. What? Yeah. Max is coming to get you. Max is coming to get you. Boop. He telling you a story. You telling him one back? What? You talking about how you both have had a cold? Yeah. You didn't feel good? Max didn't feel good either. Right, Max? You're gonna go give kisses? And say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Max, you too. Look at mommy. Bye-bye. Those are Eliana's feet. Bye-bye. Oh, you're striking a pose, Eliana. You're bringing sexy back. Pretty girl. Yeah. Max. Max. Maxim. Max. We're losing her. She's going down. She's going down. Too nice. Too nice. Eliana. Eliana, he not hurting you.